You should have seen the spaghetti models even 10 years ago. The fact that for a week and a half now we've said, yep, no threat to Florida, and it's going to verify that way. The forecasting of hurricanes has improved so much in recent years compared to even 30 years ago. It's light years ahead. The concern for us the next few days is going to be that surf on the East Coast. A couple of showers coming in on the Space Coast tonight. A couple of showers here in New Smyrna to Daytona. We'll watch those. There's the eye of the hurricane, and you can see the wind flows starting to get influenced here. A little bit of an east wind. There's the colorized satellite. We'll come back to that in a second, but we had some big thunderstorms today. Not much on the beaches downtown. About 1 inch to 2 inches. Oak Ridge to Williamsburg. You go up towards the Villages, Wildwood, almost 5 inches of rain with some flash flooding earlier. In the Ocala area, right in downtown, 3.5 inches of rain. You go down College Road, out to the west, almost 4.5 inches of rain. And in the past week, nearly 8 inches of rain in Ocala, nearly 7 around the Villages. But by Merritt Island, Satellite Beach, Cocoa Beach, Melbourne Beach, it's barely rained. All right, big story nationally tonight. Not even that big, though. Just a couple of tornado warnings in Chicagoland. It was hot today. Again, 95 Leesburg, 98 Winter Haven, 95 in Kissimmee, 91 in Melbourne. Highs tomorrow, low to mid-90s, not quite as hot as today. There's Erin, and then there's system number 1, system number 2. We'll watch over the next week. Here's the satellite tonight zoomed in. The center of the storm is about 550 miles east of Miami Beach. It's starting to weaken. It's weakening tonight and tomorrow morning, but it will re-strengthen tomorrow night into Wednesday, possibly back to a Category 4. And you can see if I divide this in quadrants, look in the northwest quadrant, there's hardly any clouds. It's just getting eaten alive by some northwesterly wind shear coming into the storm tonight, which is a little unusual for how early in the year this is and where it is to have shear from that direction. Normally you see that later in the hurricane season. Moving northwest tonight at 8 miles an hour, and there's the cone one more time. No landfall in the U.S., but that does not mean no impacts. And remember, the scale for hurricanes is based on the sustained wind speed. So swimming tomorrow and Wednesday, really Thursday too, highly discouraged. We'll have 6 to 10 foot swells. Surf, maybe some swells, 12 feet. Offshore, 40 to 60 feet. If that sounds like crazy, that's actually normal for a hurricane like this. A lot of cruises have been rerouted. A lot of things have been moved around for the hurricane and those swells offshore. A little breezy the next few days, lower rain chances, but again, the main focal point for us guys is that rough surf and that very, very high rip current threat for the next 2 days.